What's up, sus? Today's video is going to be styling faux locks, so let's get right into it. These hairstyles that I'm going to be showing you guys today is very simple, and it's going to take you less than 30 seconds, less than a minute, 30 seconds in order for you to be able to achieve all of these looks. Now, you do not need any type of scrunchies, yes, scrunchies, ponytail holders, or hairpins in order for you to achieve this look. The only thing that you probably might want to use is something more decorative in order for you to be able to just, give it a little bit more flavor. Those are the gold pins or the wraps or the strings that you can be able to apply. Now with this second hairstyle, I'm going to just take a piece of the faux lock and wrap it around the few faux locks that I've collected on the top center piece. And this is just going to be a ponytail at the top where it's more of an up and down, but the sides are out. I'm just going to wrap that one strand of faux lock around that ponytail and then secure it and let it hang. Now, as you can see, some of my faux locks have gold strands inside the center. This is just the way that I'd like to do my faux locks. These are medium-sized faux locks using the Marley Rastafari hair. I like them because it allows your hair to look more realistic. Now, with this next hairstyle, I am going to take the whole front portion of my head, girl, come on, my whole front portion of my faux locks, take one strand from the center and then wrap it around to secure the ponytail at the top. Now, doing this and wrapping it around will secure it, and you'll be able to wear this throughout the whole day without it unraveling. This is more of like an up and down hairstyle that you can be able to achieve, bringing the hair forward instead of back, and then leaving the back out as well. Throughout this video, I'm going to be giving you this Tyra Banks vibe, honey. There she go, okay? Yes. America's Next Top Model, got a word out for my red. Looking for me? This next hairstyle, we're going to leave it in, leave the ponytail, and I'm going to take two portions, and I'm going to take one, wrap it around, and I'm going to connect the other portion that we have out and then wrap it all around to secure the bun at the top and tucking it in so that way we don't have no loose ends or those faux locks sticking out. This is more of like a crown bun. It looks almost like a crown bun. And with this hairstyle, again, like I explained to you before, you can be able to use the nice little strings to wrap it around the faux locks to give it more of a decorative look, or you can use like the gold pins in order for you to clamp it on there and design it in that way. Super cute, super nice. Yes, sis. Yes. Yes, sis. Anyways, with this hairstyle, we're going to take this down, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to, girl, hurry up, yeah, I'm going to use this hairstyle. I'm going to take this hairstyle down, hold on now, take two strands, wrap it around, so I'm going to pull the hair back, take two strands, wrap it around to create a ponytail. This is really nice for you to get the faux locks out of your face or out of the area if you just wanted something very simple. Really good for going to the gym, cleaning up, or whatever it is that we do. And I mean, you can even wear this style out. Very nice pullback style. This next hairstyle that we're going to do, I'm going to pull all the hair forward. I'm going to take two strands from the center of it, wrap it around twice to secure the ponytail from unraveling. This is what I call my Janet Jackson, honey, because this hairstyle be giving me so much life. I love this one. You don't have to do it so tight because you don't want to create so much tension pulling from the front of your hair or your faux locks. So just, keep that in mind as well as she continues to give you that Janet Jackson vibe. Now, we're going to take the hair, put it to the side. This right here is a really simple look as well. I mean, if you don't want to have that Janet Jackson vibe, you can always put it down and give you that other type of vibe. And she giving it to you. So Yeah, just like that. With this next hairstyle, what we're going to be doing, I'm just going to pull the hair back, and you don't need pins or anything. So this way it's just taking the whole strands and then just wrapping it around in a bunny bun. Really cute and elegant. But this one is more pushed forward. The other one was just sitting on top of the center of the head. I created these locks myself. I've been doing my hair for 15 years. The way that I do these faux locks is I use a different color blonde hair in the center of it, just in case if I don't want to use those pins. It took me about, I want to say, 5 hours to do my own hair. I like my faux locks like really thick and long, and I also like it to be more realistic, so I don't like to just use the shiny hair that a lot of people use. I like to use the Rasta hair. If you guys want more videos on how I get this makeup look I got on, because I'm really feeling this lip. It's actually a MAC Retro liquid lipstick called Dance With Me. It's really cute. Yeah, so anyways, you can also put those pins around the bun as well if you wanted to create more of a decorated look, which is really cool. And by the way, these are medium size faux locks. This next hairstyle that we're going to achieve is I'm going to take 3 strands from both sides, right? And we're going to braid one side back way, under braid, and then the other side we're going to do an over braid. The reason why we're going to be doing this is because we're going to crisscross the 2 braids, giving the 2 braids the same pattern, if that makes sense. Because if we were to just wrap it around our head, it would be completely 2 different braid patterns, and we don't want that. Because what we're trying to achieve is more of a faux lock braided halo, wrapping the hair around the head and tying it in a knot in the back. So again, this side I'm going to braid it the over way, and then the other braid I braid it under. So when we're done braiding this, you're going to be able to see exactly what that pattern looks like in order for you to be able to create the same braid pattern wrapping around your head. So I'm going to crisscross it, wrap it around, adjust it, and as you can see at the top, you can see both braids are the same braiding pattern. I'm going to take the 2 braids, connect it, and knot it in the back of the head, leaving nothing to stick out. You're going to be able to see that you don't need any pins, scrunchies, or pointer holders in order for you to achieve this, like I said before. Bring all the braids forward, and there you go. Your braided halo. This hairstyle right here is similar to the other one, but we're only taking 1 strand each from both sides, and then we're going to twist it together and then bring it around the head and put it in a knot again. This style, you're going to twist it almost similar to like tying a shoelace in, but you're not going to do the second portion where you're tying it in a bow. And you're going to wrap it around your head, put a knot, and then after this, because we don't want to keep it like this more Indian style, we want to put it more upward to complete the look. I mean, if you want to keep this style right here, you totally can, but I like it this way where I pushed it back off the forehead and upward more towards the other side. With this other hairstyle, we're going to take one portion of the one side of your faux locks, put it towards back, take a strand from the center of your head in the back, wrap it around and lock it in. This is going to allow the faux locks to stay pushed back on one side, with the other side hang down, really nice, really cute. Yes, girl. Yes. All the vibes we're having right now. Now, if anything, thank you guys so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Please make sure that you subscribe, like, and share.